Most Indian health artificial intelligence startups are treating compliance like generic software as a service companies, unaware of the looming Digital Personal Data Protection Act enforcement deadline in May 2027. Healthcare artificial intelligence is now a high-risk regulatory category, making compliance a mandatory procurement requirement, not just optional legal paperwork. Healthcare AI is a regulatory target due to its handling of highly sensitive data. Platforms processing patient information face strict Digital Personal Data Protection Act obligations. AI-driven decisions in healthcare elevate regulatory exposure, especially when integrated with Ayushman Bharat digital mission infrastructure. Large-scale data processing increases the likelihood of being classified as a significant data fiduciary, demanding immediate compliance attention. AI training data in healthcare is heavily regulated. Founders often overlook the extent of regulated data beyond electronic medical records. Training datasets, inference logs, prompt histories, and model outputs all contain sensitive personal data. Each layer of the AI pipeline must comply with Digital Personal Data Protection Act obligations, as they involve personal health information and are subject to strict governance. Health AI startups face 5 major compliance failures. First, lacking a data inventory makes governance impossible. Second, weak consent capture fails Digital Personal Data Protection Act standards. Third, using protected health information in development environments breaches regulations. Fourth, absence of a breach response plan leads to regulatory disasters. Lastly, infinite log retention violates data minimization principles. Hospitals now prioritize compliance in procurement. It's not just an IT issue, it's a vendor qualification layer. Documentation maturity is crucial for deal qualification. Enterprise buyers filter out non-compliant vendors early. Key requirements include ABDM readiness, security reports, DPDPA assessments, operational audit trails, verified security controls, and executed data processing agreements. ABDM changes the landscape by enforcing interoperability and compliance. AI systems using ABDM-linked data must meet regulatory commitments. Key milestones include ABHA integration for patient identity, HIP functionality for data governance, and HIU functionality for audit trails. Consent artifacts are essential infrastructure, not optional features, to avoid regulatory debt. Health AI startups often overlook SDF regulations. Appoint a data protection officer with board access. Conduct mandatory data protection impact assessments before deploying AI systems. Regular independent audits are essential. Ensure algorithmic transparency for AI decisions. Board oversight is crucial for data governance. If your AI impacts treatment decisions, compliance is non-negotiable. Founders must integrate compliance architecture into product design. Key priorities include mapping data inventory, implementing role-based access control and encryption, and ensuring consent logging. Establish audit trails and vendor governance. Develop rights workflows and artificial intelligence governance standard operating procedures. These elements are essential for regulatory compliance and should be managed by engineering, not outsourced. In 2026-2027, the health artificial intelligence market will split between startups ready for procurement and those disqualified early. Compliance is key. Procurement-ready startups gain trust, shorten sales cycles, and secure contracts. Treating Digital Personal Data Protection Act compliance as product infrastructure, not legal overhead, ensures faster contract wins and investor confidence. The future of health artificial intelligence hinges on trust as infrastructure. Successful companies will integrate explainable systems, auditable pipelines, governed artificial intelligence, and operational trust. Compliance infrastructure is essential for scalability, ensuring artificial intelligence decisions are transparent, data flows are traceable, and operations are governed by robust standard operating procedures and oversight. Explore Compliance Mitra AI, a free tool to identify compliance gaps in your platform. Visit gobrain.com/askmitra, spend less than 5 minutes answering 5 to 10 questions, and receive a detailed compliance report. Quickly discover and address any compliance leaks.